Hello everyone, welcome to Gmail tutorials. In this video we will see that how can we actually move a conversation and organize it as we want into our own predefined labels. So by default Gmail provides us some labels like socials, promotions, forums, chats, etc. But let's say we are having to work in two projects. One is a e-commerce website, the other is a social media networking website. So all the emails related to the e-commerce website, I want to move them to a label called as e-commerce, and the other of the social media networking site project, I want to move it to the social site project label. Okay, so what I'll be doing, I'll be creating two labels and I'll be moving my emails there. So how do we do that? There are actually two steps to this process. The first one is creating labels. How do we do that? In the left side menu, if you see, there is this plus option that allows you to create a new label. So let's just provide as e-commerce project, or if you have a name of the project, that also you can provide. Next is a nest label under option. So if you want to nest your label under any of these labels, you can just select your parent for the label, but I don't want that. So what I'm gonna do is e-commerce project is sufficient from me. I can just click on create. So in the labels you see e-commerce project is there. Create another label. This time I'm going to type in social media networking project and click on create. So social media networking project is another label that is created over here. Okay, now the question is, how do I move my emails into one of these labels? Process is pretty simple. Just select the email that you want to move, go to this move to option. Here you will see that these two labels are present, the e-commerce project and the social media networking project. Okay, so let's just go to social media networking project. This has been moved to this particular label. If you just click on that, here you will find that this email is present in the social media networking label. Similarly, if you just select any email and let's say we want to move it to the e-commerce project. Okay, so let's just click on move to e-commerce project, and here it is moved to the e-commerce project. If you just click on that, open this email, then you will see the email is displaying the label in which it is present actually. And if you want to go to all of the emails that are a part of that particular label, simply just click on that and it will go take you to this particular label. Okay, so that's how we can organize our emails. In case you want to move multiples at a time, just select all of them, go to this move option, select the label, and all of those emails would be moved to that particular label. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.